Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you Microsoft Excel has stopped working issue on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, very easy. If you want to, Microsoft Excel has stopped working issue on Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. So firstly click on Start, click on Add or Remove Programs, and here search Microsoft Office. Here option Microsoft Office, click it, click on Modify, and two option Quick Repair and Online Repair. So click on check this box Quick Repair and click on Repair. Ready to start a Quick Repair? Click on OK. Click on Repair. Wait for a while. So done repairing. After click on Gloves. Finish. After open Excel. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to. Microsoft Excel has stopped working issue on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video helpful or not. Thank you for watching.